So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to the next video. Today we are going to explain how we can do lookup or shifting of columns in Power BI. In Excel, this is quite simple, right? You just need to type equal sign and reference to the specific cell that you want to refer. However, in Power BI, it's not that straightforward. So let's explore how we can achieve this. So let's first load our data. So let's click on import data from Excel. So I'll be having this lookup Excel file. You can also download this file from the description below. So let's click on open here. As usual, we import table instead of sheets. So let's select the table, and here I'll be having the game information and the time they played. So here I'll be having PUBG that is played for 100 minutes, Hitman is played for 50 minutes. So let's click on transform data. Before that, what I am doing is my goal is here I'll be having the Hitman that is played for 50 minutes. Then I want to compare this 50 minutes with this. That is, I want to get 100 right after this 50. I want to get this 50, then I want to get the 100. Then I want to compare 50 with 100, the difference of this. So like that, here we have 350. Then I want to see 50 here. Then I want to compare this with this, and so on and so forth. Yeah, let's click on transform data here. Let's rename our table. This is my games table. So let's add some helper columns here. So let's click on this add column here, and let's go to this index column here. If you click on this, you will be seeing a by default it is created starting from 0. Let's click on this option index column, and here you can see starting from 1. Let's click on this, and let's rename this is my lookup column. Lookup column, and let's create another column that is also my index column. Let's click on here. You can see it is by default created starting from 0. You can also provide custom range too. So this is my searching column. Searching column. Yeah, let's go to this home and close and apply here. Yeah, now let's quickly visualize our data here using table. So let's add game and the time period. Now I can see here. Let's format this first. So let's increase the values. Let's say 20, and let's increase the column headers to, let's say this is also 20, and let's make this as bold. Yeah, now you can see here we have game and the sum of their time played. Now maybe you have noted that here we have game starting from A, that is Asian Crate. Then we have Call of Duty. So this is sorted. This is got sorted automatically when we add some visuals here. This is sorted in ascending order. This is in alphabetical ascending order. Here in the game column here, you can see here this is not sorted. So if you want to get the result which is not sorted, then what you can do, go to this table view and select the column, and go to this sort by column, and go to this sort by a column called lookup column. You can also select this searching column also. So let's click on lookup column, and now you can see here this is not sorted. Yeah, so let's head towards our goal, that is creating a shifting these values here. So let's create a new measure here. So let's increase the size also. Yeah, so this is my lookup measure. And here I'm using lookup function, that is lookup value function. This is similar that we use in Excel, that is lookup value function, lookup function. Here I need to provide result column, that is my time played. I want to know the time played using the search column name, that is the lookup column. I'll explain please. Just wait. I need to provide a search column here. Here, if I type search, you see we are not getting the search column. So here I need to use selected value. So what it does, it just return one value. So it just return only one value in the specified column. Otherwise, if there if there it has some value here, otherwise it returns the alternate result. So here I need to provide a column, that is my searching column. So let's click on enter here. So let's go to this table view. Now what I'm doing is I want to get this time played using these two, that is using the lookup value. What I'm doing, I'm searching this one in this column, I'm searching this one with this, then I'm getting this time played information. Simple. I'm searching this 2 with this, then I'll be getting this 50 information. That is the previous record I am getting. Simple. I'll go to this report view and let's add our lookup measure that we created here. I can see here right after this 50, that is Hitman time played, we have the PUBG time played also. Yeah. Now let's simply create a difference of these two. Let's create this. Let's create a new measure here. Now let's go to this. So this is my difference column. This is my difference. This is my difference equal to, I'm using if logical test. Here I'm using has one value to remove the total issues, to solve the total issues here. If it has some value, that is game stable game column, result if true, then do the sum of the time played minus the what lookup measure where we have the previous record. Yeah, let's go to the new line so you can see better. Lookup measure. Yeah, result if false, just provide blank. Now let's add this difference here. Now you can see here 100 minus 0, this is 100. Simple. 50 minus 100, that is minus 50. Simple. So now you can see how we created difference of this. This is pretty simple in Excel doing this, but in Power BI this is not, because in Power BI works by column wise, in Excel works cell wise. So we need to do lookup we need to use lookup function, and we need to use some helper columns to do this. So that's it for this video. Now you may know how to use the lookup value function in Power BI for shifting the data and performing the lookups even across the different tables without a direct relationship also. You can achieve this. Thanks for watching.